Hey, what's up everyone? Jeremy here, and this is yet another tutorial on website optimization. In this episode, we are actually going to get onto a really exciting part of website optimization, which is search engine optimization, and bleh, can't say that right, search engine optimization. There we go. And what this is pretty much is the act of getting your website to rank higher in Google and these other search engines like Bing and Yahoo and all that. One of the most important favors you can really do for yourself is having a very visible website. And in fact, let's just say, I could be selling gold for a buck a pound, $1 a pound, and I won't sell a single one if my website is not visible. However, in this case, I'm sure word of mouth would do just fine selling gold for $1 a pound. I'd buy a few, but anyways, the improvement of one's website's ranking and visibility in search engines is known as search engine optimization, or SEO, for short. Now, there are two important practices to ensure great SEO, and in turn, a great high ranking on search engines, Google, Bing, and Yahoo. These two things are good quality content and organization for that good content. This can be achieved relatively easy by doing the following. Okay, you need to ensure that your content is written well. I can't emphasize this enough. Unique, well-written content is vital to ranking well in Google. This involves using keywords that are popular for a certain topic. Let me just give you an example. So, let's just say I own a dog care business, and my website about dog care would have relevant keywords to that niche or niche, or however you want to pronounce that one. So these keywords could be immunizations and kennels, breeds, leashes, or etc. I don't know, maybe not leashes, but you get my drift. Things relevant to that are going to be most beneficial, and you want to look up through AdWords what are the most important, highly used words that are for a specific area. Anyways, now organizing those keywords and certain content through header tags, and if you don't know what header tags are, I can actually explain them pretty quick. So let's just say, here, let's look up Fox News. Everybody likes Fox News. Yeah, right. Anyways, so we can see how this website is telling Google to break down their website. They essentially have their menu for their website laid inside of Google. So these are more than likely H3 tags, but header tags vary from H1 to H6, and I can show you how they're used inside of code, at least a small example, but so yeah, this would be an H3, as you can see, and it's just your website telling the search engine how to index your website, so it helps. Alright, let's get off Fox. Okay, so additionally, there are other important methods to further optimize your search engine's SEO, and additionally, there are a few more important methods, several, many, that will optimize your website's SEO. Below, now I'm going to go over some additional tips that will definitely have a large impact on your ranking on search engines, especially when used in combination with what I just mentioned to you. Use Google-friendly image file names. Now, instead of naming an image file, for instance, dog 82373, because you have a lot of dog pictures, it would be more advisable to add accurate descriptions for your picture file. For instance, we could do, if this image is a picture of the dog playing catch with his trainer at the park, we would say dog and trainer park ball, whatever. I would believe most people would figure that is what that image would be about, and just in case the very minimal amount of people that aren't able to view pictures on their device, it will, if you properly code the website, it'll pop up an alternative text, which will at least explain, oh, what is this picture even supposed to be? Oh, it's a dog and trainer at the park with the ball, more than likely. Anyways, moving on, we want to use what's also known as, I like calling them Google friendly, but permalink names. Now, permalink is just a link. Now, when I'm referring to this, I'm more describing a link on a website. So let's just go to my website for an example, jeremycole.com. And we are going to find, when we go to one of my pages, that they are named exactly what you would expect. They are named pretty much as simple and self-descriptive as possible, and that's the point. So yeah, some of these content management systems actually allow you to do it very easily. You can just change the name, but otherwise there's a little method to do it. It's very simple, and I'd recommend it. Okay, so what I'm going to mention now is truly Internet 101, but you need to take advantage of sharing backlinks that have similar content, similar quality content, especially with high-ranking and high-traffic websites. Now, what backlinks are, pretty much anytime you have maybe a blog or a website that references a certain other thing, check this out, this is relevant, if you want to see more of these. But when you're kind of giving a shout out, if you will, to another website, not only is that being pretty cool, you want to, and it'll possibly get reciprocated, you want to have as much authority built up to your website through other websites. And how this is built up is by other websites sending backlinks to your website. But it all has to start somewhere, and you need to do your part and share those backlinks too, and your viewers will thank you for it. And all you're doing is spreading quality content. If you know where that quality content is, it's your duty to share that with them. Okay, so the next thing we are jumping right into is this little thing called a sitemap. And a sitemap is a run through of all the pages on your website that'll tell search engines what's on your website. Pretty much every single website would have a sitemap, and pretty much any website's going to have a sitemap, and it's just laying out all your pages onto one simple, easy for search engine spiders to read document. However, if you're not wanting to do this manually, you can just use this plugin right here, and it's in the repository for Wordpress.org. Other content management systems will have something similar, and it's highly installed, highly reviewed, and well rated. So no, it's a simple bit of coding anyways. Again, you can do this yourself, but anyways, once you have your sitemap, you can pretty much rest assured that as long as you've done everything that I've already mentioned on this, you will be solid when it comes to SEO. I might have blown over a couple of concepts. If I did, just let me know. So I would like to also mention that with Google and other search engines constantly switching up their algorithms, particular fields being flooded with keyword ninjas, they all want to be on top of search engines. It is absolutely imperative to keep bringing in quality content and stay ahead of the crowd. I'm going to say one last thing for people that do not want to manually go through all their coding and make it all SEO fancy. If you happen to be on WordPress, and I try to at least give one WordPress shout out each video, but if you happen to be on WordPress, you can use what's known as Yoast SEO, and it is a free plugin. You can either buy it from the repository or you can buy it directly from Yoast.com. Just make sure you get it directly from Yoast.com. But this plugin is highly reviewed. People love it. I personally, I've had it for clients. It's not necessary if you start from the ground up. There's a lot of things that it offers on the side, but check it out yourself, see if it's something that you're interested in and all that, because I'm definitely not the person to be talking too much about this particular plugin, just because SEO is something I like to get my hands dirty on, you know. I don't like somebody working on my car unless I can work on it myself. So it's the same thing with my websites. Same thing with, you know, my SEO of the website. Anyhow, thank you for watching, and I hope these tips were useful. Please leave me a comment down below if you have a question or just want to say something. Please subscribe as well. I will see you in our next tutorial in our website optimization series. And feel free to check out some of my other videos. I just started a new how-tos series, and this will be going over many different things from software to coding issues and all these things, hopefully. But yeah, check it out and see some of the new videos. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.